The iPhone 16 Pro Max is finally here. The new model doesn't score that many upgrades in comparison with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but all the new features are seemingly enough to have it crowned as the most advanced iPhone out there at the moment. The overall look hasn't changed, but Apple introduced a new vertical rear camera that replaces the prior diagonal camera, and there are also two new buttons, the Action button and the Camera Control button. Apple introduced a new 3nm next-generation A18 chip that supports all of the iOS 18 Apple Intelligence features like writing tools, the revamped Siri, Genmoji, Image Playground, and more. It has a 6-core CPU and 5-core GPU. Apple brought the iPhone 15 Pro Action button to the entire lineup this year, so iPhone 16 users can access a variety of customizable functions like flashlight, camera, Shazam, translate, and more. There's an all-new camera control button that's like an action button for the camera. It is touch and pressure sensitive and can be used to launch the camera and take a photo, capture a video, and adjust all kinds of camera settings. Apple modeled it after the shutter button of a DSLR, and it works in much the same way. Third-party apps can also take advantage of the camera control button. Later this year, Camera Control will be used for visual intelligence, a new AI feature that can tell users about objects and places. Point the camera at an object and click and hold on Camera Control to get more info about it. For a restaurant, visual intelligence shows information like hours and menu. To accompany the Camera Control button, Apple added a 48-megapixel fusion camera with a 2x optical quality telephoto zoom that's cropped from the full camera capture. Apple says it's like having two cameras in one. There's also a new 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus and support for macro photography. The ultra-wide gathers up to 2.6 more light for better image quality in low-light conditions. The vertical camera arrangement supports capturing spatial photos and videos that can be viewed on the Apple Vision Pro.